This is our shortcut to the highway.
Seeking the unknown, to pursue the calling, to discover something within ourselves, understanding our limits, or going out to find them. That's adventure. We got both the chains tightened up on the bikes last night. They were looking pretty loose, and just want to make sure that we're good for the rest of today and whenever we decide to head back home. Got all our gear packed up this morning, and we're ready to go. First thing on the list is Scenic Rocks. Right back there is where we camped last night, and then right over here, that's Yokum's Lodge, or Yokum's Vacation Land, right there.
Yeah, we're turning left on 28.
Okay. So we're making our way from Scenic Rocks, and now we are on Forest Road 75, and this will take us all the way up to Bear Rocks, and then from Bear Rocks the plan is to take what our Onyx off-road app has labeled as the Road Across the Sky, which I can't find that name anywhere. I googled it, but it is very clearly marked that name on Onyx, so that should be a long straight gravel road. That'll be really fun, but we'll see what adventures we get into on this road. I wouldn't mind getting a bigger bike if I knew we were just going to do stuff like this, but I wouldn't want to accidentally end up on some single track with one.
Like that DBBB, that was fun, dude. Like trying to see how far you could go, you know?
Yeah, if I bought a bigger bike though, I would not want to do something like that.
You want to trash it?
No. Trash a nice expensive bike. Here we are. So this is Bear Rocks up here.
Like, it looks like they put a lot of dust on this road.
Yeah, you think there's enough? Oh. It's a very long gravel road.
Yeah. keep up your speed, it smooths it out.
Yeah, it really does. So that area out there with the boardwalk, that is Freeland Boardwalk, which is off of Freeland Road. And now that we're done with that, we're going to make our way into Davis and grab a bite to eat. On this little off-road stretch that should be taking us to a big main road. I guess I had routed this in the GPS tracks, but I didn't even realize that this is here, and I got confused why we were going off-roading all of a sudden. Kind of fun surprise. This is the most off-road stuff I think we've done so far on this trip.
Yeah.
Let's see how all the gear handles it. Oh boy, here we go.
Yeah, this is it.
All right. Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh boy.
Here we go.
Tried to take off in second gear there.
We're going off the road, boy.
Yeah, no kidding.
Don't fall, Nick.
Try not to. No guarantees.
Now we got a little problem here. Oh, here, I see a way around.
You still really? This is what you call a way around?
Oh gosh.
Dude.
Freaking single track. This is our shortcut to the highway.
I did not realize that any of this was here. Just trying to get to the highway, man. You think this track just straight up goes onto the highway? Because it might.
I don't know. It'd be kind of funny if it does.
It just merges onto the highway from this, you know? You're like, merging.
I see the highway.
You see it?
Oh, dude, it does.
It merges onto the highway?
No way.
Oh my goodness, it merges to the highway. No way, dude. No way. Oh my goodness. That was incredible.
Onyx is like, I'll just put you right on the highway. Oh my god. On a 65-mile-an-hour highway, just jumping on from a dead stop. Oh my god.
Oh, dude, I have no idea what this is. I think it might go up like the little mountain or something. We'll find out.
Oh, I'm rolling. Did you just find this on Onyx?
I don't know where I found this, man. I think I just found this on satellite. I don't think this was even like marked as off-road on Onyx.
Oh my gosh.
I was scouring everything on satellite.
That's funny. Oh, it's
gated. Okay. I don't know what that is. Do you want to go there or no?
We can.
Oh boy.
It's like a field up here.
Right on top of the highway, huh? Oh, somebody's building something.
Something. Oh my gosh.
Oh, like drops off. Oh, it really drops off.
Yeah, I don't think we're going down that.
Alright,
Oh
well,
God.
just, you know, hop back on the highway.
Yeah, just casually. So what's out on this road, Nate? Is there any destination or is it just a road?
Yeah, we'll be hiking at the end of it.
Okay.
I forget what this road is even marked as. It's some forest road. It's pretty long, though, but it dead ends at the end of it.
Dude, you're getting dusted, dude.
I guess we'll just keep riding and see what happens.
See what we feel like.
Yeah.
If we see a cool camp spot, you know,
Yeah.
be okay with that too.
This day was only halfway through, and though we'd seen so much already, we would have a lot of riding left before dark, and a bit more riding in the dark before we could finish this day. Come back to watch the next and last video in West Virginia.